Good morning everyone. Class 12 beta subject accountancy example 11 discuss chapter number 8. Okay, so question first in this series, pass the journal entries for the following transaction in the books of X, Y and Z, sharing profits in the ratio 3:1. Okay, so point number first, realization expenses of rupees 2000 were to be borne by and also paid by X. So in this question, expense paid by partner in business. So in that situation, no entry passed because realization expense borne and paid by the partner. So first transaction no entry, कोई एंट्री पास नहीं करेंगे हम. सेकंड केस इज why a partner to bear realization expense agreed at rupees 1900 at rupees 1900 and actual expense paid by were rupees 1500. Okay, so realization expense account debit, second entry, realization expense relation account debit, realization account debit to wise capital account, realization account debit to wise capital account. Okay, amount is 1500 rupees, 1500 rupees. Clear? Entry number 2. Third, general reserve has a balance of rupees 18,000. General reserve has a balance of rupees 18,000 on date of dissolution. So general reserve transfer to X, Y and Z. So general reserve transfer, general reserve account debit, general reserve account debit to X capital account to Y capital account to Z capital account. Amount is general reserve 18,000 debit and transfer between X, Y and Z ratio 3:1. Ratio 3:1. Okay, 3:1. So 9,000 rupees, 6,000 rupees and 3,000 rupees. Okay, entry number third, general reserve account debit to X capital to Y's capital to Z capital account. Clear? Next, point number fourth, Y has given loan of rupees 50,000 by the firm. So entry passing Y's capital account debit, Y's capital account debit. Entry number 4, Y's capital account debit to loan to Y's account, loan to Y's account rupees 30,000. 30,000 rupees. Clear? Y's capital account debit to loan to Y's account rupees 30,000. Okay. Point number fifth, why a partner took a machine valued rupees 20,000. Okay, so machine value take over by y, so y capital account debit to realization account, y capital account debit. Loan amount is 50,000. Loan amount is 50,000 rupees. Clear? Point number 4. And next entry, Y's capital account debit to realization account 20,000. Y's capital account debit. Y's capital account debit to realization account. To realization account. So machine take over by Y. Amount is 20,000 rupees. Amount is 20,000 rupees. Okay. Y is capital account debit to realization account, amount 20,000 rupees. Clear? 6 point. Z, a partner, agree to pay a creditor of rupees 30,000 for rupees 20,000. Z, a partner, agreed to pay a creditor of rupees 30,000 for 20,000. So realization account debit to Z capital account. Realization account debit. Entry number 6. Realization account debit to Z's capital account. Clear? So amount is 20,000 rupees. Okay? Amount is 20,000 rupees. Point number 7. A partner had given loan to the firm. A partner had given loan to the firm of rupees 10,000. It was repaid to him. It was repaid to him. So loan given by A. Okay. So loan by A account debit to bank account. Loan by A account debit. Loan by A's account debit to bank account 10,000 rupees. Loan by A account debit to bank account rupees 10,000. Okay. So entry number 7. Next point. There were a contingent liability of rupees 37,000 in respect of bills discounted. In respect of bills discounted but not mature. All the discounted bills were honored, but an acceptor of a bill rupees 5,000 became insolvent and 50 paisa in a rupee was received. The liability of the firm on account of this bill discounted and dishonor has not so far been recorded. So 2 entry pass in point number 8. So first entry is realization account debit to bank 5,000 rupees. Realization account debit to bank 5,000 rupees. Entry number 8. First realization account debit bank account 5,000 rupees. Clear? Yes or no? Next, amount paid in 50 paisa. So second entry is bank account debit relation account 2,500. Second entry bank account debit to relation account, bank account debit to realization account 2,500. 2,500. Okay. So first no entry. Second realization account debit to wise capital account 1,500. Clear? Second, general reserve distribute among the partners. So three partners X, Y and Z. Total amount 18,000 rupees. Distribute in 3:2:1. Clear? Fourth, wise capital account debit to loan to wise account rupees 50,000. Wise capital account debit to loan to wise account 50,000 rupees. Okay. Next, entry number 5th, wise capital account debit to realization expense 20,000. Next entry, realization account debit to Jets capital account 20,000 rupees. Clear? So 7 to 8 entries include in this question. Okay.